Okay, this is example 2. It's basically the same data, but instead of doing, so what I did is I did the same thing. I did stat edit, and I put all the heights in inches of the same people with the same weights from example 1. So this is now height versus weight, and this would, and I didn't want to erase it, so I put this in L3. And I left this in L2. Okay, so the only thing different when I get to the stat plot screen, remember that's second y equals, when I get to X list, I changed it to L3. And then Y list was the same. Okay, and I get this one here. And so if we go through the FUDs, okay, I'll do it in blue here. If we do the FUDs, what is the form? Is it linear? Maybe. I have two things I'm thinking about. It's kind of all grouped like that, but you could make a case, if I try a different color here, in red, I could make a case maybe it's like this. Okay? I personally think maybe not, but I need some more data, probably, to be sure. But so the question is it linear? Maybe. I think it's linear. I'm going to say I actually think it's more blue, like the blue one. It's more of a curved shape, but let's just say it might be it's linear. You could make the case that it is linear with the red shape. So we'll just say linear. Possibly. So possibly linear. Is there anything unusual? No, nothing really stands out. If I drew the line where the red one is, there's nothing unusual. So unusual, nothing unusual. There's no piece of data that's far from the rest, an outlier, or that doesn't fit the overall pattern. So if I had a piece of data, maybe one piece right here, or maybe one piece way down here, those might be unusual ones, but there isn't in this case, so get those out of there. Okay, what's the direction? There's your, I'll just direction. Well, remember, when it's going from bottom right, this would be a positive direction. And is it strong? Is it strong? Well, the points are fairly, so I would say it's fairly strong. You notice I use these wiggle room words, fairly strong. I don't say it's really strong or absolutely strong or extremely strong. I just say it's fairly strong, or moderately strong is a good one. Or you might say moderately if you don't want to say fairly. Okay, moderately, fantastic word to use here. If you're not sure, put moderately down. It's moderately strong, or moderate, or it's slightly positive, or moderately positive, or something like that. That gets you a long ways on the AP test. So I've described this on here.